Today my dad has got a surprise for me, but it's not until later in the day, and we're gonna go shopping before and with my sister, and I'm gonna go pick her up soon, and then we're gonna go shopping, and then we have to get to this surprise at we have to be there at 3 o'clock.
So we're setting off to go into town. Neve still has no idea what the surprise is today. Let's keep it that way for a little while.
Hey guys, we're in Topshop right now, and yeah, we're basically almost done in here because we were in here for about 10 seconds and we found what we looked for, but we're almost done in here, and I'll see you when we get to the next shop. Hey guys, we're in Wilko, and so far we've got nail varnish remover, we've got some hamster food for my hamster, and we got some treats for her, and my dad's looking for some a knife and fork set, and yeah, after we're going to go to Greg's.
So we've been to the shops. I'm not a great shopper, but we did the shops, we bought some stuff, seen some stuff for Christmas. Neve still wants to know what the surprise is. I've not told her yet, I've not given any clues.
Can you open it?
So we're just hanging around now until we need to set off. Any ideas, Neve?
No.
No? Are you excited?
Yeah. Okay guys, so it's now time to leave for the surprise. I still have no idea what it is. I'm really excited. I have no idea what it is. Last time we had a surprise, it was Longleat, but I don't think it's going to be Longleat again. Like anything like Longleat, or maybe. I don't know, I seriously have no idea what it is, but make sure to like and subscribe, because this is going to be lit.
Right, so we're finally here. They've not got out the car yet, but that's where we're going. Zippo State Circus. Let's see what they think.
So we're at the surprise, and I'm about to get out of the car. I can't really see anything out there though. It's just bushes. I think it's down this way, guys. I wonder what that is up there. I think...
Neve? So have you any idea where we're going yet?
No, I can't even see anything.
Can you not?
No.
Oh.
Apart
Okay.
from a bunch of lorries.
Okay, well you'll find out very soon.
Okay, well, I will see you when we go in, get at the surprise.
Any ideas yet? Any clues? Any clues?
Yeah, I see.
What is it?
I don't know. Circus.
Huh?
Circus.
It is. Do you like the circus? Yeah? Good.
Okay, we're at the circus now. And we're just waiting for it to start.
Got the popcorn. Are you looking forward to the second half? Did you enjoy the first half? That's Neve filming herself. You're looking forward to the second half? Yeah. It's all gone dark. The second half is about to happen. There's some giant birdie just come on. They're amazing acts, aren't they, Neve? What do you make of it? Is that good?
Okay, we're finished with the circus. Did you like it?
I did. It was very entertaining. They were very clever, very fit, very strong.
Unlike you. Just joking. Oh, we're going, wait, where are we going? McDonald's?
We're going to McDonald's now for something to eat.
Okay guys, so we're now at home. And, yeah, so make sure to like and subscribe. And see you on the next video. Bye bye.